Hey guys, today let's learn how to create character AI bot. It's going to be pretty easy, guys. All we need to do is to launch the character AI application. And once you're already there, go on over and tap on create and then tap on create character. Once you're here, of course, you do need to go ahead and name your character, and you could name your character anything you'd like. Just tap on next once you're done. You can now go ahead and also describe what your character looks like. Now you could upload a photo so that the character knows what it looks like. You could also go ahead and generate a prompt so that you could describe, of course, and then have the AI create one photo for you. But once you're done, just tap on next, and then you can now go ahead and also generate a greeting for this and create one or change your voice depending on what specific voice that you'd like. We do have 4 choices over here, and if you tap on my voices, you can actually also tap on create to create your own character voice. Essentially, that is all for this video. It's that easy to create a character. Just tap on save the changes once you're done, and that's all for this video. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe, and take care.